Butter isn't the villain, you're just using it wrong. Now listen. Butter done got a bad reputation over the years. Folks hear butter and start clutching their pearls like it's the enemy in the kitchen. But is cooking with butter really that bad? Or is it just misunderstood? Today, we settle in this the right way. Back in the day, butter got pushed aside for margarine and oils. But here's the truth, most folks don't tell you. Used properly, butter brings flavor, richness, that restaurant quality finish. The problem ain't butter itself, it's how people use it. Butter shines when you finish a sauce, baste in meats, add richness at the end. But cooking everything in straight butter on high heat? Now that's where folks get into trouble. Here's what we did in professional kitchens. Start with oil for the high heat. Then finish with butter for flavor. That right there, that's the sweet spot. You see that shine? That's restaurant magic, baby. If you're serious about cooking restaurant-style meals at home, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We invite you to like this video and to become part of our community. And be sure to visit our sister channel Bible Scripture Lives, where you'll see the Bible in cinematic form with stories that help you in these present times. Be sure to return for our next video in a week. And as always, many blessings and much favor. Until we meet again. See ya next time.